I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. I'm giving a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the nicest one. You got to subscribe to the channel. Go to Twitter. Follow at cryptobitc_chris. If you go down to the description of this video, there's a TikTok link. You got to follow me on TikTok every day. I want you to focus on this idea. Bounce, bounce, no bounce. All the buyers are here. All the buyers are here. And now all the sellers are here. So the previous floor becomes the new ceiling. This is not bullish. The bulls need to regain this level for any kind of upside. This is not a bullish pattern. Now we zoom in to the 1 hour chart. There is a 64% chance that this breaks to the downside. Could see a move down here to 29,278, potentially a little bit lower. That's the lower trend line that we've seen. Okay. Now, we're not trying to predict here. I'm just trying to get a buy or sell signal out of Bitcoin, right? So the probabilities say 64% chance it breaks lower. So I know that if it does break higher, I open up longs immediately based on that idea. However, if it breaks lower, you open up shorts. It's real simple, right? I'm waiting, and it's running out of room. I'm looking for a move out of Bitcoin real soon. Okay, so pay attention. Like, you're not trying to, if you sit here and try to predict every move out of Bitcoin, you're going to be miserable. You're just waiting for the buy and sell signals. It's all you use Bitcoin for. With these altcoins, I don't trade Bitcoin. I trade altcoins. This is where the money's at. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person made $1,000 shorting SOL. Basically everything they just learned in the trading group. This person up 120% based on the trading idea. This person up $1.28 million trading on Kucoin. Bang. This person, his true USD trade, he was up 83%, or he made $8,700 on this one trade. Shout out to Thomas. This person, I hear this all the time. I've been watching you for a year. I just joined the group last week. After joining, I wish I did it so much earlier. The group pays for itself. You got to learn in the bear. If you held these coins down lower and you lost a bunch of money, unless you change, nothing changes. Unless you make a change and learn how this market works, this market will continue to take your money, period. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. Pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Vechain comes out with this news. This is a historic multi-year marketing partnership deal with the UFC and Vechain. Huge. What did Vechain do? 5% pump and then pullback. Now, this news comes out and introduced and talked about. Market is bearish. Doesn't move the coins. Do you think the creators of the coin, the team behind this coin, do you think they're going to put out all the bullish news after they're not pumping? They're the biggest holders. They want to get these coins. This is the most manipulated market in the world. They want to get these coins to pump so that they can sell and take profits, right? Vechain didn't move, right? This news would have been so much more powerful if it was released at a point where the market's bullish. When you've been doing this for years, and I have, since 2017, started buying Bitcoin when it was $800, you see the same basic ideas repeat. I'm here to help you recognize the trends and the money flow so you learn these ideas at hyper speed. One example is Axie Infinity. I talked about it. I introduced everybody in the trading group to it on December the 15th, 2020, right? Axie Infinity. It's this new Pokemon inspired game. It's play to earn. Nobody had heard of it. After talking about it, it's up since this date. It was at one point, it was up well over 100x, 10,000% gains out of this guy. When this market turns around, we're going to have some good long-term hold ideas, but right now it's super choppy. Buy and hold comes in accumulation, right? And we're not there yet. You can make a ton of money and I'll keep you guys updated when I load up on Bitcoin and when I load up on altcoins. The most important thing is you have to continue to learn. If you jumped in this market, I want you to make a 4-year plan. If you jumped in this market at the top, you know what? You got your teeth kicked in and you're losing money and it sucks right now, right? The people that jump in at the bottom of the market see tremendous amounts of upside. But you have to learn through these market cycles. You have to learn in the bear and you will kill it in the bull market. You can't sit and hold these coins. It does not work. Right? All the hype, FOMO, rally, where's that at now? Dead. Gone. As soon as that happens, these 20x, these 50x, these 100x coins, there's going to be new ones that come along. They don't even exist yet. Right? It's always the newest coin. Everybody's like, oh, yeah, this coin, can it get back to this level? The newer coins that are launched with all the new hype and these super small market caps are the ones that hit these crazy multiples. The best coins, the hype game is played best with these new coins that are released. I've never seen the market so clearly as I do right now. You have to time these market cycles, and the hype FOMO rally will be a good time to buy and potentially at least midterm hold a lot of these small cap coins. And then it's just find the hype and ride them higher. Now, I called this as being a shiz coin season. I said June could be a great month. I posted a bunch of S coins, shiz coins on Kucoin and on Binance. Metal up 51% after being posted not too long ago, 10 days ago. 68% out of EOSC after being posted not too long ago. Again, you can tell I've done this year after year after year. I know when these coins are about to take off. You have to understand the money flow in this market. I'm here to lead you life-changing money, period. That's why I'm here. I don't do this because I have to. I do this because I want to. I want to help you guys. Bitcoin dominance. You want to see this thing roll over? And the money is going to flow into the altcoins, right? This is kind of a weak move to the downside, but the money flowing into the altcoins because the whales get bored of Bitcoin doing nothing, and so they start pumping the S coins, the shiz coins, right? So Bitcoin dominance breaks lower. You're looking for moves out of altcoins. We need to talk about this FOMC meeting. It's happening on June 15th. That's 6 days away. Probably on the 16th, in a week, they're going to announce the increase in interest rates. Remember, the last time the Fed raised rates, they did it at 50 basis point increase. This was the largest increase in 20 years. Europe just raised their interest rates, right? Because, fiat currency in Europe is getting destroyed. The most important thing you want to get out of this video is you will see the market move based on this idea. Market at some point basically prices this in. But if it's outside what the market's looking for, definitely 50 basis points, a rate hike again is not going to help. If it's any more than that, it could devastate the market. You will see a big move if this doesn't meet market expectations. If it's more dovish and maybe only get 25 basis point rate hike, you'll see a pump out of the stock market and potentially Bitcoin follows. So understand how important the stock market is to what's happening to Bitcoin. Now, this correlation can come and go, and sometimes it's stronger than others, but we still have to pay attention to this idea going forward. Posted this earlier and followed it up. This is S&P 500. It's open after hours. This is mini futures, and you had this descending triangle. This is a bearish triangle, right? I posted in a group. I said it 64% chances breaks lower, and it did. It dumped. Now it's trying to hold right here. You got an oversold bounce. If this comes up here and bounces and then you see more downside, possibly you could get a further pullback out of Bitcoin. But Bitcoin, if you go over here, it has a similar pattern, but it hasn't broken lower yet. Now, you still assume, you have to say, okay, my trading strategy says there's a higher probability this breaks to the downside. But the best thing that could possibly happen is if this broke higher and goes against the probabilities, then I'd open longs. I'd open 3x longs based on this idea. Bitcoin is going to give me a signal right here to go long or short. I'm just waiting on the signal. That's all it's for. I have 4 monitors. I would get at least 2. Keep Bitcoin and possibly Bitcoin dominance and altcoins open all the time. So you see what's happening in this market. You know, I'm keeping the stock market obviously open as well because these coins are moving in unison. You learn right now and you won't be back in these situations where you've lost a bunch of money in this market. This is my TikTok channel. Go over here. I posted 3 TikTok videos that talk about Bollinger Bands and how if you buy at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, I mean, essentially you're you're getting a good value on the coin, right? And when if you were to buy the top, you make a habit of buying the top, you're going to be in losses a lot sooner, right? The worst thing in the world is you buy a coin and you're immediately in the red. Idea is, that's talked about in this and a couple more videos on TikTok, cryptobitcoinchris at cryptobitcoinchris will show you how to trade long wick reversals, double bottoms using the Bollinger Bands. This is an easy strategy, and this is the exact same way that this person right here just made $1,000. $1,000 in one trade. Never traded before. Again, take advantage of these resources. Learn in the bear. Join my trading group. The group pays for itself. It's a no-brainer. What are you doing? Why would you come into this market, have no clue what you're doing, and throw a bunch of more money at it? Like, why? Why would you do that? How does that make any sense? And then you lose money and you don't know why. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.